Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to unadd people on Snapchat fast. First step is to open Snapchat app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now go to Settings from the top right corner. Here, scroll down and select Contact Syncing. Disable the button Share Contacts with Snapchat. Now hit the Confirm button. Tap on Remove Sync Contacts from Snapchat from the bottom. Again, hit the Confirm button. After this, go to My Friends from the home page of your profile. Here, long tap on the friend you want to remove. Now go to Manage Friendship. Then tap on Remove Friend and confirm it. So, these are the ways by which you can unadd people on Snapchat fast. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.